Hi, first graders, this is Miss Brown. Today for our math lesson, we are going to be learning about some shapes, their sides, their names, and kind of what they look like. So let's get started. All right, let's start with a simple shape. You know this shape. This shape is called a square. Squares have 1, 2, 3, 4 equal sides. That means that each of these sides are the same length. On every single square, each of these sides will be the same length. Okay? These shapes are called rectangles. And rectangles have 4 sides, just like a square, but rectangles are usually longer. They have 2 short sides, like these, and they have 2 long sides. Here are the long sides I'm pointing to. Long sides. Now, the long sides, those are parallel to one another. Parallel means they go the same direction. So they go left to right, and that one goes left to right. They'll never touch. And then the short sides are also parallel to one another. They go up and down. They're vertical. They'll also never touch. So the 2 short sides are equal, and the 2 long sides are equal on every parallelogram. So the 2 short sides here are equal, 2 long sides here are equal. Now this is where it gets a little tricky. This shape is called a parallelogram. I want you to try and say that word with me. Parallelogram. Parallelogram. That's a big word. So parallelograms are kind of like rectangles, but they're slanted. They're kind of on their side a little bit. So parallelograms have 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like a rectangle, 2 of the sides are shorter, like these, and 2 of the sides are longer, like these. Okay? The 2 short sides, just like a rectangle, are parallel. They go the same direction. And the 2 longer sides are parallel. They go the same direction. So this is a parallelogram. The next one you might have seen before, and you might know as a diamond. And the actual name for this shape, or another name for this shape, is called a rhombus. Rhombi, that's the plural. When you have more than one rhombus, it's called rhombi. Rhombi are technically a type of parallelogram, but they're a lot skinnier or thinner. And they might look like diamonds. You might call them a diamond. Rhombi have 4 sides, just like every other shape we've looked at today. And each side is the same length, kind of like a square. So it's kind of like a square, but it's slanted. So this side is the same length as this side, is the same length as this side, is the same length as this side. So each opposite side, so this one is parallel to this one, and this side is parallel to this side. They go the same direction. These two go the same direction. They'll never touch. And the last shape we will need to look at today is called a trapezoid. Trapezoid. So trapezoids have 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And they can look at many different ways. So these are all trapezoids. Trapezoids will always have 4 sides. And they only have 1 pair of parallel sides. So typically the top is parallel to the bottom. The top is parallel to the bottom. They go the same direction. Because the sides, they don't go the same direction. They're kind of going opposite directions here too. So let's play a little game now. Which one is the rectangle? If you need to go back in the video and look, you can pause it, you can go back, you can fast forward, you can backtrack and go back and look at the rectangle page if you need to. But which one is the rectangle? I want you to point to it on your screen now. Which one is the rectangle? Very good. It is this one. It's the long one with 2 pairs of parallel sides. All right. Now, which one is the trapezoid? You can go back if you need to. I'll give you a few seconds to think about it. Point to your screen. Which one is the trapezoid? Very nice. It's this one. It's the one it has 4 sides and it has 1 pair of parallel sides. Okay, next one. Which is the parallelogram? This one might be tricky. Which one is the parallelogram? Point to it on your screen. Very nice. This one is the parallelogram. It's not this one because this one is thin and skinny, and that's a rhombus. A parallelogram is long. It's long. And then this one, which one is the square? I want you to take out your math notebooks, and in your math notebook, I want you to draw the square. Draw the square and label it square in your math notebook. And then ask someone in your house if you're right. Or you can go back into the video and see which one is the square and check your work. So thank you so much for watching today's math video, friends. I will see you very soon. Bye-bye.